and welcome to KMC booth at 2023 Taichung Bike Week. So let me introduce our core products to you. Our core product is a total drivetrain solutions from the chainring, sprockets, cassettes, and the e-bike chains. Because we are chain expert, so we believe we design the parts to fit our chains will be the best compatibility. About our chainring, the technology chain mats, asymmetrical shape design and narrow wide teeth design can reduce the friction and provide chain retention. Chain mats, it means the rollers and the chainring teeth can perfectly match, so it can enhance the efficiency and the durability. Our chainring can compatible for Bosch and Shimano motors. About the crank arm, with several the interface and more options and the size to come. About our e-bike chains, the new Glide series can compatible with the Shimano Qs and LG 9 to 11 speed. Glide series can accommodate for wider LG cassette teeth. Besides the Glide series chains, don't forget our e-bike single to 12 speed with unparalleled strength, can withstand the torsional and the tensile strength from MENG motors. About our cassettes, there are several features of it. We have the lifting and the rolling ramp design, which we call flow control, can enhance the shifting performance. And about the cock teeth design from our chain, so it's a perfectly paired with our chain. We also optimize combination the gear ratio as our products, so we can make sure the smooth shifting and the efficiency. Later on is our Aurora series, is the new X series outlook. Each chain have the unique neochrome colors. We are available for 10 to 12 speed, and we are keep providing the more colors for customers, so you can make your own bike style. TT Racing chain is specially designed for speed and efficiency in the most competitive environments. Contributing our technology, this chain efficiently can reach and maintain the maximum speed while going farther and faster. So the last KMC, the new product is a KMC Chain Tool Pro. It's the best for all the single to 13 speed chains. The rotating de-riveting pin will accurately position itself when engaging the chains to allowing the stable and steady efficiency to protect the chain plates, rivets, and the pin life. The ergonomic sliding handle is easy to use and improve the pin removal the efficiency. And the de-riveting pin is reversible, offering a convenient replacement. And another storage is for the hold the second de-riveting pin. Thank you for joining the KMC Core Products Tour. Please contact us if you have any questions. We are looking forward to see you soon. Bye!